We're actually having a barbecue tonight, and Pete's actually cooking. Are you doing some cooking as well, Paul?
Yeah.
Wow, that looks a very good barbecue. So can you tell us what you're cooking there, Peter?
Yes, we're cooking chicken kebabs, Phil, and we are cooking vegetarian sausages for Father Michael.
And any others who are interested.
And any others.
Yeah.
And also
Chocolates.
little baby stingers, little boys.
Little boys, yes, but they're not red.
Wow, that looks a yummy dinner tonight.
Doesn't it? And I've seen beautiful vegetables in the oven. They look so good. And they've been...
Thank you very much for doing the cooking tonight, Peter and Paul.
Our pleasure.
Thanks, Phil.